Purvashada translates to the former invincible one or the former unconquered. Its name, just like its successor, highlights the classical quality of this asterism, invincibility. Another name for Purvashada is Aparajita, which also means undefeated. Both names point toward the same theme, an unshakable, unstoppable force. Now let's talk about its symbol. Based on the shape formed by its stars, a handheld fan becomes the most well-known symbol of this nakshatra. This fan has four symbolic uses. 1, as a decorative item, especially in Japanese and Oriental cultures. 2, to cool oneself down in hot conditions. 3, to fan a fire. And 4, as a mask to hide oneself